Rizky. You can call me Elzha. I'm 11 from SMK Negeri 1 Banjarbaru. I live in Banjarbaru. In this video, I will tell you a story about the cat Arrogant. The cat Arrogant. A long time ago, in a dense forest light, there are very much. Among the animals which live, there is a cat Arrogant. Very clean, hairy, and smooth white. So many animals who like it. But she was too proud and arrogant to adjust. One day, the cats want to live alone without family cat because she felt it was great to run for township without the help of her family. On her way, she is resting a egg to the family chicken. Sunny morning, when the cat is angry because her voice has awakened chicken. Hey, chicken presumptuous, have you to wake couple with your son? Your son is ugly, said the cat. Chicken family very angry. They repel cat. With feeling annoyed, cat it. With feeling so tired, cat sleeping in the shoulder of an elephant. When elephant was about to wake up, the elephant accidentally dropped the cat. Hey, you fool elephant! Why you drop me? You want to kill me? Elephant closer and sighed. Oh, you're so beautiful. Cat stretch elephant, rampage elephants make that hurt him. Cats are very upset and hungry. She tried to look for food on the ground. She met worm. You are beautiful cat, but why did you take my food? The cat said, all animals are well aware of my beauty because I was entitled to do as I please. And worm said, bugs cats know what you can survive in the soil. Ha ha ha, it's the little things, said the cat. They also made a deal. Eventually, after a day on the ground, what worm grub tried to see, but the cat was already dead. Some worm told this to the cat family, but when her family, until the cat Arrogant, what had did, had been in the eating lions. So, the moral message is never over being advantageous because each person is advantageous. Thank you. Goodbye.